In today's video, we are going to look at the top 5 best snail horn available on the market. We research web and read lots of real user reviews before creating the snail horn list. If you want more information and updated pricing on the snail horn mentioned, be sure to check the description. Subscribe to our channel. And press the bell button for more informative videos. Number 5, Snail Horn Tweeter for 2020 Toyota Land Cruiser 200. Enhance both the aesthetics and functionality of your 2020 Toyota Land Cruiser 200 with this Snail Horn Tweeter modification. Its sleek design seamlessly integrates into your vehicle's exterior, adding a touch of sophistication. Beyond its visual appeal, this tweeter delivers clear and attention-grabbing sound projection, ensuring that you're heard on the road. Upgrade your vehicle with this exterior accessory to not only improve its appearance but also enhance safety and awareness during your travels. Number 4, High Bass Speaker Upgrade Accessories for Toyota Land Cruiser Prado LC200 FJ150. Elevate your audio experience with these high bass speaker upgrade accessories designed specifically for Toyota Land Cruiser Prado LC200 and FJ150 models. In addition to the loud snail horn modification, these accessories deliver superior sound quality with powerful bass output. Whether you're cruising down the highway or exploring off-road terrain, these upgrades ensure an immersive and enjoyable driving experience while maintaining safety and awareness. Number 3, FIAMM Snail Car Horn AM80SX for Peugeot Citroen Series. The FIAMM Snail Car Horn AM80SX is tailored for Peugeot and Citroen vehicles, ensuring a perfect fit and seamless integration. Its distinctive snail shape not only adds a touch of style to your vehicle but also optimizes sound projection for maximum effectiveness. Whether navigating city streets or highways, this horn provides reliable performance, alerting other road users to your presence and enhancing overall safety. Number 2, Car/Boat/Motorcycle Horn for Scania Volvo. This horn isn't just for trucks, it's versatile enough to be used in various vehicles, including cars, boats, and motorcycles. Engineered specifically for Scania and Volvo models, it guarantees compatibility and optimal performance. Its impressive 300 dB output ensures that you'll be heard even in the busiest traffic or noisiest environments. With its ability to work with both 12V and 24V systems, this horn is a must-have for anyone seeking enhanced audibility and safety on the road. Number 1, FARBIN Snail Air Horn. FARBIN Snail Air Horn offers more than just a loud sound, it provides a reliable and attention-demanding solution for your vehicle. Its dual-tone feature ensures a distinctive sound that stands out on the road, enhancing safety by alerting other drivers and pedestrians. The included compressor relay harness simplifies installation, saving time and effort. Whether you drive a truck, motorcycle, or car, this horn is a valuable accessory to improve your vehicle's alertness and presence.